Hello guys, this is a webinar regarding the Azure live classes. So I'm going to start a new batch on Azure Data Factory live course. So I will be, teaching live on Azure Data Factory topic, and I will be covering everything about the Azure Data Factory in my live courses. So let others join, then I will continue to it. Hey, hi Praveen. Hi Shiva.
Hello, Sagar. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing good, Sagar. How are you?
Good, good, good. Thank you. Let others join, then, we'll continue. Just we will wait for 1 more minute.
Yeah, sure, Sagar.
Hey, hi Suman. Hi Chetan, Srinivas.
Yeah, hi Sagar. Good evening.
Good evening. Hope you are doing good.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. How are you?
Good, Srinivas. Thank you. Mhm. We have Venkat. Hi Venkat. We have Amir. We have Vicky.
Hey, hi Sagar.
Hey,
Hello.
hi, sir.
Hi Sagar.
Hi.
Suman.
Hello. Hello, Suman. Yeah.
सागर ये हिंदी
So,
में रहेगा कि इंग्लिश में रहेगा?
uh, I believe we have, many students who are not comfortable in Hindi.
Okay, no
So
problem.
it will be, yeah. So it will be like both only, if you are not getting any point in English, then, we can, go in Hindi
Yeah,
for you particular. And,
yeah, no
then,
problem. Yes, sir.
yeah.
Thank you.
We'll wait for, one more minute. Let others join, they are joining. And you guys can talk, okay? That's why, I hosted this
Okay,
meeting.
okay.
Otherwise, I'll just give the link of the course and then, तो जो
Actually,
भी
I am
आपको
waiting
डाउट है
from
if you
last 6 months, and I am following you daily, regularly on that because I want the live class, right?
no
I'm following the
yes
YouTube
yes
channel and the way of
correct.
right, so I want to understand that. So,
Right. Thank you, Vicky. I know that you have been pinging to me on Telegram or WhatsApp,
yes.
because of some timing
I
constraint.
understood. I understood. You're so busy.
So just we'll wait 1 more minute. Sorry for waiting. Let others join also. Otherwise वो repeat करना पड़ेगा.
मतलब अजोर में आप ही लेके जाओगे, बस ये सोच रखा मैंने।
Thank you. No worry. हो
नहीं,
जाएगा सब.
अभी मैं स्नोफ्लेक में काम करता हूँ, मुझे अजोर में जाना है।
Okay, just 1 more minute. चलो अभी जिसको ज्वाइन हुआ था वो हो गए. Okay. So all you guys know me, right? Or anyone new here who do not know me? You can talk, you can unmute yourself or you can raise your hand. I can unmute you, and then you can talk. Everyone knows me, right?
Yeah,
So,
Sagar.
yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So, see, I'm going to start Azure Data Factory classes. I hope you guys know about Azure Data Factory. What is Azure Data ADF? Okay, so I'm going to start that course from tomorrow, or maybe from day after tomorrow, from Wednesday, or maybe Thursday. In the worst case, the timing will be the same, 8:30 to 9:30. I hope this timing is good for everyone. Is it?
Yeah, Saga.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, nice. Yep. And okay. Apart from this, the content, I'm gonna share the screen. I can, show you via screen sharing what's gonna be content so that you can also decide. Give me a minute, share the screen. Let me know when it is visible. I hope the screen is visible to you
Saga.
guys. Yeah, so see, I mean, I'm gonna cover everything end to end. Okay, what is Azure Data Factory? If you already know a little knowledge of ADF, then it will be very good to get started. Otherwise, you do not need to worry. I will cover anyways. Okay, the reason why I said if you know a little knowledge, then you will understand the concept easily. You will not ask me a very, a basic questions, and hence I just ask if you have the basic knowledge, then I mean, then we will go ahead easily. Otherwise, I have to stop in each and every point, for a particular user. Right. So this is module one, introduction of data, Azure Data Factory, where I will be covering what is ADF, what is ETL, and why we do that, whether we can, what is the need of this ADF tool, what are the other tools do we have, so right, and then how we can authenticate ADF with multiple things. Let's say we have given here Azure Key Vault. It's a kind of service where we keep the password, nothing else. ठीक है तो इसमें we have multiple scenarios. We have it, we save the I mean we create a link service, or we save every password. मतलब वो it could be a API key, it could be a it could be a username password, जो भी confidential चीजें होती हैं, we save in the keyboard so that other person will not go and read the secrets like that. Okay, and there are multiple ways by which we can connect the ADF. Let's say we have written over here manage identities and service principal, then system assign manage identity, and so you can just read it. I will share this document to you guys. Now, second will be architecture-wise, how many components we have, what is triggers, what is integration runtime, what is pipeline, and so stuff. You can read it over here. Other than module 3, this is a Azure Data Lake SQL Server integration. So basically, see, we will be dealing with two type of data. We can say one is file system and second one is a SQL table. In companies we have multiple scenarios, okay, where we fetch the data. Some people fetch the data from SharePoint, some people fetch the data from SFTP, some people fetch the data from data lake only, S3 bucket, and then some people fetch the data from SQL tables. It could be Snowflake, it could be Oracle, it could be MS SQL, कोई भी database RDB में हो सकता है, right? So that's what I have written. So we will see how we can pull the data from activities. Here it is mentioned. So this is, I just mentioned what I remember now. So this is not something like itna hi cover hoga. If I get more things, let's say we have a switch activity also. So I did not mention over here, so but I will include. We have until activity, if anyone knows about it. So I will use that also. Then we have wait activity. So these things will be included in this module 3 only. Okay, and maybe today I am teaching Azure Data Lake storage. So चलो मैंने ये skip कर दिया link service. Then I'll jump to copy activity directly. So these things can happen. It is not something like जो यहाँ पे लिखा है वैसे ही चलेंगे. It depends on the scenario what we are teaching you. Okay, and then all things are over here. Then REST API. See, companies, as I mentioned, right? There are two major sources. One is data lake, one is file system or data lake, you can say, and second one is RDBMS. Third one is APIs. So how you pull the data from APIs. So that is also a very important thing if you're working on a real-time projects. So that I included. What is API? Just a basic introduction. We have get put and other methods, right? So we can use that. And apart from this, we have incremental load with ADF, how we can do that. ADF pipeline with stored procedure, watermark table, how we can incremental load, how we can, do a history load and so stuff. It is written over here. And apart from this is a part two of the same thing, how we can use a schedule trigger, how we can use a tumbling window triggers, how we can use a event-based trigger. All these things will be, will be taught. So you do not need to worry कि ये miss हो गया वो miss हो गया. Whatever I will be getting when I teach you, I will be including those parts also. ठीक है? And then we have logic app also, the introduction of logic app and the implementation of the logic app also, how you use a logic app in ADF. Okay, then with this we can use web activity, we can use webhook activity, sorry. Okay, so those things also will be including over here. Then introduction of data flow. So what is data flow? See, till here, till here, what we do, we just load the data, or ingest the data from one server to our system. It could be, database, or it could be a data lake or S3 bucket, whatever. After that, what we usually do, we do some transformation, right? Suppose I need to typecast some file, right? I need to select only 4 columns from the file or from the table. So how I can do that? How I use the join. Suppose we have 2 files, I need to join on basis of some ID column, right? So how I can do using data flow. So whatever the things we do in SQL, we do, what we do, we join, we aggregate, we do group by, we just find out some min or max system functions, right? We apply, and some other transformation also we have it. So we will be seeing in the introduction of data flows. Okay, this is module 8. So I have just written here like this. So it will be of 2 or 3 days. It will take like at least 2 to 3 days to understand in deep. Then we have module 9. It's a ADF integration with GitHub. So how we save the data, whatever whatever pipelines we are making, how we how we deploy the pipeline into a different environment. So we will be seeing that part in module 9. And at the end, this is the end-to-end project. So this is a pre-recorded course I will be offering to you guys. If you guys want to take it, you can take it. It is already present over my website. That is a Master in Azure Data Factory course. If you want explicitly, you can take it, and the fees will be less because since you have covered every basic. So I will remove the basic part from this project, and then I will give you some 50% or 60% discount, and then you guys can take it. Okay, so this is just a brief introduction of the curriculum. I hope you guys understood. And
By this course, how much experience we can show that? Suppose
1 minute. Yeah, Vicky, right? Just
Yeah.
a minute. Let me include other persons also. They are waiting.
Sure.
Okay, now it is depend on the, see, I'm gonna teach you the use of Azure Data Factory, how do we do in real time. Okay, now there are many companies like TCS, and we have some other companies also who hire for Azure Data Factory role also, specifically to Azure Data Factory, because there are many clients who totally work on the Azure Data Factory. So the one which I shown you, the data flows part, right? Correct. So there what people do in that, they write everything. They write everything in the data flow itself. They will not use any database in between to to transform the data or to process the data. So we do use data flows in it. Now, the question is how much experience you can show. See, if you build the project, then you can show 3 to 4 years of experience easily. If you do not build the project, then you will not have the story, right? Keep what you have done in the project or in your real time. So hence, you have to make the project. You can take this project, or if you want to, make your own project, you can make it. It's not mandatory कि मेरा ही project लो आप जाके
तो
आप
आपके
किसी का Udemy
आपके
में
प्रोजेक्ट में क्या कवर किया है? कितना मतलब डेप्थ, मतलब एक जो पाइपलाइन पूछी जाती है तो वो सब कुछ ही
that
बेसिकली कवर
is
होगा, राइट?
you can check it in the website. Okay, there is 14 hours content. There is, basics, and then, real-time scenarios. Everything is given over there.
ओके।
Matlab, you have the experience, right, Vicky?
यस।
You were saying कि you know Snowflake, we're working with Snowflake. So
यप।
whatever things you are doing in Snowflake, we will be doing in the ADF till
ओके।
the Power BI. In the project, I have included Power BI also.
ओके।
Because generally people, what they do, they source the data, they clean the data, and then they dump the data into a Synapse, you can say, or in some RDBMS, and then we make a Power BI. So if you make that project, you will have some story as well as some experience to tell to your interviewer कि I have done this short project or whatever. If you want to change the story, you can change it,
यस।
right? कि I have done this by my matlab, end to end. I have done it in my last organization, and that was a kind of a short project only. Because generally, if you are working for a very good company, right, they do not use data flow for the transformation. Generally, company use Spark का हो गया या some other layer for transformations, because data flows are very costly as compared to Databricks also.
ओह।
Yep. Now we have many
Hello.
guys over here. Hello.
Yeah, Sagar, carry on. Okay.
No, I'm done. Now, if you guys have any doubt, you can ask me.
Yeah,
The timing I have
Sagar,
just, yeah, sorry. Yes, Venkat.
Sagar, yeah, I mean, I'm currently learning SQL. So, I mean, if I start your course now, is it a good program? Means will I be able to understand the things? That's what my question is.
Correct. You will be.
I will be able to understand, right? You will be taking into terms like those candidates will be not knowing the basics of.
Azure, I'll just tell you what is the prerequisite of ADF. Okay, actually
Okay.
there is no prerequisite of ADF. It's a very
Mhm.
it's a kind of tool only. Okay,
Okay.
but if you know a little bit of Azure Data Factory, okay,
Mhm.
sorry, if you know little bit of SQL, or if you
Okay.
have worked on any programming language before, then it
Yeah.
will be beneficial, or you will understand
Okay.
easily, because we at the end of the project, right, you will be dealing with the SQL commands also, like simple select star
Okay.
from table, or let's say views,
Okay. Okay.
or
Yeah.
let's say
Yeah.
making a stored procedure, or calling the stored.
Okay.
So at least you should know how to call the stored procedure.
Yes.
What is a
Yeah.
stored procedure? Right, stored procedure nothing, is just a function,
Selection of.
right?
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
kind of function you can assume, and then and why I said that you should have the programming knowledge skill, because sometimes we have to write some expressions. Expressions means some formulas in Data Factory. Okay, let's
Mhm.
say we have some file name, or
Okay.
we have first name and last name, right? And we are
Mhm.
getting this value from our source, right? You need to split the first name and last name on basis of what? Spaces. Because we know in India
Okay. Yes.
generally we
Yes.
have two
First
first
name
name
and
and
last name. Yeah.
generally we have. So वहां से we can you should know ना कि भाई करना क्या है. At least you should have that knowledge. So there we'll use split. How we can do that? We can use split function or some other function. So at least if you have the basic knowledge, then it will be very easy for you to understand the stuff. Otherwise, you will have that very basic questions and you will ask me ना, तो वो आपको थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होगी उस पे. That's what
Mhm.
I will be there for answer you. But if you
Mhm.
already know this stuff, then it will be beneficial for you
Yeah,
it
yeah,
only.
yeah. Because I come from a programming background only, that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
Anyway, and I'm currently learning the SQL. Maybe I will be finishing in maybe in 1 week or so. Then yeah, I will be continuing your course as well. And one more thing, Sagar, like I already purchased your course, I guess, this one, ADF related thing.
Okay. Yes. ADF, master in
Yeah.
ADF, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I already
Mm.
purchased. Means what's the difference between that one and now what you are teaching?
See, that there I covered basic, a little bit basic, and
Mhm.
then I covered the real-time scenarios questions. Okay.
Okay.
And that is
Okay.
a
Means
pre-recorded course, and this is the
uh,
वो वाला code course. Yeah, what you can say.
project is also included in that one.
Where? In the master, the
Means
one which you
yeah,
have
master.
taken.
Yeah, yeah.
That is, I completed the project, right? If you now go in the
Okay.
last
Yeah,
module,
yeah.
module 3 or module 2, end-to-end
Okay.
project. Now it is
Yeah,
like
yeah,
8 to
Sagar.
9
I
hours
thought like
content is there.
yeah. Once I finished the SQL, then I thought of like exploring that. So yeah.
So see, if you already took that, so I would suggest you can also watch my free videos on ADF, right? That YouTube channel mein. Or you take
Mhm.
that basic of Azure Data Factory course. That is okay, because see, this is the live class for those guys who, there are some guys who want someone to guide, right? Or they
Mhm.
have some minor doubts which needs to be resolved. So for those guys only, this course is
What is the duration of this?
at least 1 month to lagega.
1 month, Monday to Friday, right?
Yes, Monday to Friday. Yes, right. Because
No,
see, what
no
happens
weekends.
generally. So
Weekends, no class, right?
see, there will be no weekend class, because what happens, Ram? See, you you just learn the things for 2 days, and then 5 days you will enjoy. Okay, generally we do the same thing, right? So it's better. What we can do, we learn 5 days, and 2 days you can rest, or then you can revise the concept. What I suggest. ओके, बिकॉज आप 5 5 डेज में पढ़ोगे आके, है ना? और एक एक बैच में, अगर इफ आई गो टू संडे
Right.
क्लासेस और सैटरडे क्लासेस, आई विल टेक 3 to 4 hours of class. Then honestly, 3 4
Yeah,
hours
yeah.
continuous class
Understood.
is not good, right?
Correct, correct. Understood.
1 1 घंटे में ही थोड़ा सा लोगों को
Are
परेशानी
you
होने
providing
लगती है.
any notes or something?
Notes, I mean, I not decided. Now if you want, then I can
Some
provide to
document.
you.
No, why I'm asking, right? Suppose I have an interview tomorrow, right? So I can't go through the videos, right? You got my point. So that time we
We
require to
I
topics.
can provide you. If you
Yeah,
want, I can provide you.
yeah.
If many users want, then I can provide.
Okay.
If any single user want, then I need to think. But if everyone wants, then I
Yeah.
can provide you.
Sir, one
Even though,
confusion is
even
there,
though,
right? Like ADF and there is a synapse, right? So
yes,
people are saying that if you know ADF, then it's very easy to work on synapse, right?
right,
What
right,
exactly
right.
synapse?
Synapse is a workspace which is having everything: ADF, Spark, Power BI, like like we have Microsoft Fabric, right? So it is the same thing. If you know Databricks, Spark individually, if you know ADF individually, if you know Python individually, if you know data warehouse concept individually, then you do not need to learn Synapse. You will learn Synapse very easily by your own.
Okay.
Yeah, hello. Hi, Sagar. Hello.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Srinivas.
Yeah, Sagar. So currently I'm working as a PySpark developer, and I am having a like minimum knowledge on Azure Databricks. And like whenever I'm attending any interviews, right, people were expecting some knowledge on Azure Data Factory as well. So by taking this course, I hope it will be helpful to build my Azure Data Factory,
90%
right?
it will be helpful. I am here to teach you. You have
Okay.
to also practice a lot. If you just
Yeah,
watch
yeah.
the videos, you will not understand, to be honest. You have to, make the pipelines, you have to take the subscription, you have to, at least invest. If you are spending 1 month with me, at least आप 15 days to invest करो ना खुद से.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
only you will understand. And see, at last, if you make the project, as I told to Vicky, right? If you make that project, you will have the story. And that is not a simple project, to be honest. Even though while making the project, I stuck many places because I wanted to make that scenario, कि complicate scenario बनाओ. अभी वो simple get me data activity लगा दो तो मजा नहीं आती है. Right. So
Okay.
hence this
तो
is the reason,
मतलब कि जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है उसमें पूरी स्टोरी है, राइट?
Yes,
क्योंकि
you
सारे
haven't
प्रोजेक्ट,
taken my
देखो सारे
any.
प्रोजेक्ट में यही होता है कि वहां से पुल करना डाटा, वहां पे ट्रांसफर करना, तो मतलब ये
They
स्टोरी होगी जिसमें सारा कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड यूज हुआ है तो अच्छा रहेगा।
correct.
अंडरस्टूड।
That is a pre-recorded videos available since I have already created that course. Okay, now I'll go again and teach you online. I think it's not a good idea, right? क्योंकि वहाँ पे I'll just teach you the basic or whatever जो मैंने उसको उसमें बताया है, right? मैं आपको ऑनलाइन पढ़ा दूंगा. अब आप इतना तो आप इन्वेस्ट करो जाके कि फिर वो उसको देखो.
अगर वहां पे कहीं स्टक होगा तो यू विल बी देयर, राइट?
I will be there. There is a community channel, but 90% sure you will not be stuck
ओके,
because there
ओके।
are some
बिकॉज
guys
बेसिक,
who,
बिकॉज अवर फंडामेंटल्स आर क्लियर, देन इट विल नॉट, वी विल नॉट स्टक देयर। आई अंडरस्टूड।
no, yes, there are there are some guys who have taken my other courses. स्टक नहीं होते हैं, वो होता है तो वो एक दो गलतियां देखो, आप
वो तो
मिस्टेक
खैर है।
करोगे, आप वीडियो स्किप करके देख रहे हो, है ना, तो वो आप फंसोगे. अब आप उसके लिए मेरे से पूछोगे आके, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि इंसान कहाँ फंस रहा है. अभी आप, मुझे मालूम है कि आपने वीडियो नहीं देखी. आई कैन चेक द हिस्ट्री कि आपने कितने मिनट वीडियो देखी है. अब आप 40 मिनट्स की वीडियो को आप 5 मिनट में देख के आ रहे हो और बोल रहे हो सागर, आई गॉट दिस इशू. आई एम नॉट गोना टेल यू, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अगर वो 14 मिनट की वीडियो तो कम से कम 10 मिनट्स तो देखो ना आप. आप वीडियो स्किप
आई
करते जाओगे,
अंडरस्टूड।
मेरे से बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तो मैं नहीं बता सकता उसके लिए.
नहीं नहीं, वो सही बात है। एक वीडियो को कम से कम, सेम वीडियो को 2-3 बार देखोगे तो एटलीस्ट हर बार को कुछ नया मिलेगा।
राइट, बिकॉज पीपल एक्चुअली डू दिस. दैट्स व्हाई सेइंग कि वो बेसिक डाउट आप में से फिर से पूछ रहे हो. तो वो मेरे को बहुत लोग को देखना है. मेरे को एक पर्सन को फिर मैं ऐसे बेसिक बेसिक बताता रह गया तो फिर इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी ऑनेस्टली. Yep. So we have Ashish Pandey. Uh, sorry, Ashish Padi. Yeah, you can talk, Ashish.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
You raised the hand, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please ask if you have any doubt.
Sir, I have joined the session late. It was I was finding means I was joined through the YouTube. So I think that I interested in the direct Zoom webinar session. So I go to the website and joined the through webinar schedule. So that's why it's had been delayed. So that's a mistake from my
Acha.
side.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Okay, Ashish then.
By the way, sir, how means is there any next live classes through this means or the another live
No,
classes? Yes.
no, this is, see, I'm not sure whether you know
This
the
is only a
agenda.
webinar, sir. Acha.
The
Okay.
agenda of this webinar is to tell you about the curriculum, fees, and if you have any doubt regarding the live classes. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव
Yes.
एनी डाउट कि सर सागर, मुझे सर मत बोलो पहली बात तो.
हाँ.
यू कैन कॉल माय नेम, है ना.
Yes.
तो
हाँ.
आप मेरा काम, मैं नहीं, मैं आप मेरा नाम ले लो. मेरा नाम सागर है
हाँ,
ना. मुझे
sir.
सर अच्छा नहीं लगता
So
ज्यादा.
Sagar, you
Okay.
will provide the recording of this, right? Every
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग होगी. यस यस,
okay.
रिकॉर्डिंग होगी. या तो
Recording
बाकी
आप,
का भी कुछ टाइम ड्यूरेशन रहेगा कि only for 1 year or something like that? People are saying
अब
that.
मतलब 1 ईयर में तो आप देख ही लोगे वैसे
हाँ
तो.
नहीं, वो एक बार काम करना आने लगा तो फिर तो वीडियो देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
जी जी जी.
वही ठीक है।
What is the fee structure, Sagar? By the way, I missed it actually.
Like I decided 5K for Indians. If someone is outside, then it is and $90, 90 or $100.
Okay.
सर बाय द
Because
वे मतलब सर बाय द वे इसमें टॉपिक्स मतलब एजूर डाटा फैक्ट्री तो ये डबूस के ऊपर रहेगा क्या?
No. It's completely on Azure Data Factory. I will share you the, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, I will
सर
share you
पोस्ट
the document.
पोस्ट
Okay,
ओके
मैं अभी यहाँ पे भेज दे रहा हूँ डॉक्यूमेंट, आप लोग पढ़ लो, ठीक है? देन यू
सर
गाइस
का
कैन डिस
सर नहीं आ रहा है सर, मतलब शो नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब चार्ट ऑप्शन में आएगा क्या?
सॉरी, आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड आप, हाँ मैं आपको सेंड कर रहा हूँ, गिव मी अ मिनट। आप
ओके
इसको देख लो, आप लोग, है ना? मैंने फीस बता दी है, फीस उतनी ही होगी और ये डिसेंट फीस है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट।
हाँ
आप लोग अगर लिंक्डइन पे हो तो लोग 8 8 10 10, आई नो दोज गाइस आर हैव मे बी, उनको अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो पढ़ाने का वट एवर, बट मुझे लगता है कि 5K इज डिसेंट। एंड क्योंकि इसमें काफ़ी एफर्ट्स लगेंगे मेरे, एंड जिसने कोर्स नहीं लिया है मेरा मास्टर इन एडीएफ, लेट्स से वेंकट सेट कि उन्होंने कोर्स ऑलरेडी परचेज कर लिया, तो आई विल गिव दैट, जो फीस है वो माइनस कर दूंगा प्रोजेक्ट की। ओके, एंड देन आई विल गिव द प्रोमो कोड टू वेंकट स्पेसिफिकली,
सर, इसका
देन
कोर्स
ही कैन।
ड्यूरेशन कितना, मतलब डेज या फिर मंथ रहेगा सर? इसमें कुछ प्लेसमेंट वगैरह सर? अभी मैं एक हार्डवेयर नेटवर्किंग का मैं कोर्स किया हूँ, तो मुझे कितना जन बोला कि ये क्लाउड करो, तो क्लाउड तो नेटवर्किंग से सर रिलेटेड है। तो सर अभी तक मेरा जॉब नहीं हुआ है सर, मेरा बीटेक 21 पास आउट हूँ मैं। तो फिर मैं पहले तो
सर
कंपनीज में
इफ
जॉब
यू
कर
आर
रहा हूँ।
इफ नो, आर यू करंटली वर्किंग समवेयर और यू आर
नो सर, नो सर, अभी
अनएम्प्लॉयड?
काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं। अभी बस अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ अभी से। तो फिर सर इसकी
1 मिनट
पेमेंट कैसे होगा सर? तो बोल पाएंगे अगर पेमेंट करना है कोर्स की?
सर, पेमेंट आपको ये लिंक कहाँ से मिला है?
ये तो सर मैं डायरेक्ट वेबसाइट से ज्वाइन किया मैं।
तो वेबसाइट पे ही होस्ट होगा कोर्स।
नो सर, मतलब
आपको
मैं पेमेंट कैसे करूंगा? गूगल पे, फोन पे देना पड़ेगा तो फिर नंबर, तो फिर सर कैसे?
आशीष, आशीष, ये एक वेबसाइट बनी हुई है।
हाँ सर।
ओके, वेबसाइट जहाँ से आपने वेबिनार पे किया, वेबिनार इज फ्री, हेंस यू डू नॉट नीड टू पे एनीथिंग, यू डू
नो
नॉट
सर,
नीड
मैं कोर्स
एनीथिंग।
का बात कर रहा हूँ सर, कोर्स के लिए।
कोर्स भी वेबसाइट पे ही आएगा, राइट?
हाँ हाँ, उसी
हेंस
में तो मेंशन हुआ है सर, मेंशन हुआ है। नहीं सर, मैं बस पूछा कि मतलब वो जो पेमेंट करना है, तो फिर वो उसी में
go
मेंशन
Google
तो
Pay,
नंबर
you
नहीं?
can you can you can you can go do a Google Pay, you can use your debit card, you can, if you
नो सर,
want
आई
to।
एम पेमेंट ऑप्शन मेरे पास है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कैसे पेमेंट करूंगा, नंबर वही तो चाहिए सर, वही।
आशीष, आपने कभी यूडेमी में कोर्स लिया है, परचेज किया है? और कोई आपने ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट पे कभी आपने कुछ चीज खरीदी है?
अच्छा अच्छा,
अमेजोन
जी
पे
सर, हाँ
आपने
समझ
कभी
गया समझ
कभी
गया।
खरीदा
और सर
होगा
वो
ना?
उडेमी का जैसा प्रोसीजर समझ गया सर,
हाँ,
मतलब जैसे ऑनलाइन पे
अभी,
करना है। ओके सर,
ओके,
स्कैन
अभी आया सर।
कर।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, चलिए।
ओके सर, ओके सर, बाकी इसका
आशीष,
ये इजी रहेगा या फिर थोड़ा बताइए सर क्या क्या पढ़ाया गया आज का? तो फिर मैं तो सेशन ज्वाइन लेट में किया हूँ।
सर मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं है आशीष, यहाँ पे मैंने
अच्छा,
बस
नहीं
ये
सर,
बताया
समझा है,
है
मतलब
कि
ओवरऑल एक
करिकुलम,
सिनारियो सर, मतलब आज का।
सिनेरियो मैंने नहीं बताया है, मैंने एक करिकुलम बताया है कि ये चीज होगी।
अच्छा
ओके,
सर।
ये कोर्स किसके लिए है, ठीक है, इससे आपको बेनिफिट क्या मिलेगा,
हाँ
एंड
सर।
हाँ, मैंने ये सब सिर्फ बताया, मैंने ये पढ़ाया नहीं है, पढ़ाएंगे जब वो पेड कोर्स में पढ़ाएंगे।
अच्छा
अगर
सर।
आपको मेरी यूट्यूब वीडियोस देख मेरा पढ़ना है मेरे से फ्री में, तो आप यूट्यूब पे जाओ, एजो
हाँ
डेटा
सर।
फैक्ट्री सागर प्रजापति मेरा नाम लिख दीजिएगा, आपको
हाँ सर।
प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी 30 वीडियोस की, जो मोर देन इनफ है। आप वहां से एक बेसिक आइडिया ले सकते हो, या मेरी टीचिंग पढ़ाने का तरीका आइडिया
हाँ
ले
सर।
सकते हो।
सर एक सेकंड सर, एक सेकंड मैं मार रहा हूँ सर, थोड़ा बताएंगे सर?
हाँ,
बस सर।
आप थोड़ा हरी में, मुझे लगता है आप थोड़ा सा जल्दी में हो आशीष, आप थोड़ा घबरा रहे हो, आप मेरे से बाद में ऑफलाइन कनेक्ट कर लीजिए, क्योंकि अभी बहुत लोग हैं जिनको मुझे थोड़ा देखना है। आप मुझे व्हाट्सअप, मुझे मेरी वेबसाइट पे जाओ, यू कैन गो टू माई वेबसाइट एंड यू कैन गेट दैट व्हाट्सअप बटन आइकन एट द राइट बॉटम। ओके,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ सर।
तो वहां पे आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे कॉल कर दीजिएगा। ओके
अच्छा सर, जी सर, हाँ वन नंबर पता चल गया, अभी समझ गए सर।
जी,
जी सर।
ओके,
क्योंकि सर मैं पहले बार इसको मतलब आपका ये अटेंड किया सर, वेबिनार
कोई
या
बात
फिर।
नहीं, इट कोई बात नहीं, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, एक्चुअली
जी
दे आर
सर।
मैनी गाइस, राइट? तो
हाँ
फिर
सर।
लेट होगा सबको।
ओके सर, ओके
या
जी सर।
या आशीष,
हाँ सर, बताइए सर।
नॉट टू यू, देयर सम
ओके सर,
अदर
और एक है,
आशीष।
अच्छा अच्छा।
सर मेरा कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं है, मैं सर आपका क्या बोलते हैं इसको
अच्छा,
सर, मैं
अंडरस्टूड,
आपका पहले
ओके
तो
ओके,
देखती सेकेंड रन
अंडरस्टूड,
अटेंड
सॉरी
करता था।
सॉरी, Yeah. Hi, Shriram. Take Bahadur.
Hey, hi. Sir.
Yes, please tell me.
Sagar, actually, I have three questions. The classes will be live classes will be in English, right? No other
Yes,
language.
English. Yes, English only. See, there are many guys who maybe, there are some
Yeah, yeah.
some concepts, right? That will be understandable by someone in their native language, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
then I
That's okay.
can speak Hindi,
Yeah, yeah,
but
that
for
is
you,
fine.
but overall it is in English only. Before I thought that I will go with English in Hindi plus English, but now I
Okay.
will go with En- English only.
And will it be okay for to attend the interviews if we complete ADF, or do we need to learn any other thing to start on Azure Data
See,
Engineering?
there are companies who hire for ADF, but they are very less companies. Okay, then you need to good in Spark also or Databricks also.
Pacific and Databricks.
So what I planned before I
Mm-hmm.
planned to launch a complete course, Azure Data Engineering complete course.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
later I understood, later I understood that if there are many guys who want only a particular section the ADF का
Mm-hmm.
section and let's say
Mm-hmm.
Python or SQL or Database. So I split these courses. Now I am
Okay.
teaching, ADF. Now this is also a second option is that, the benefit for you, you can invest less money and you can judge my
Okay.
skills, teaching skills. If you are understanding ADF, you think, Acha, हाँ, Sagar has taught me a lot, then you can invest on second course. Otherwise, you would have invested bada paisa and then you will maybe you will not like, right? So
No, no,
it
I like
happens.
to teach. That's not an issue. How many
So
sections you have divided this entire course? Prox.
see, to, from Monday to Friday, I will be teaching I will be taking these classes Monday to
Mm-hmm.
Friday. Okay, maybe if I have some work, then I can skip for 1 2 days. I have some functions, so I can
Yeah,
skip for 1 2 days.
not
No,
that one. Like no, this
His
complete
question
Azure data
is,
engineering.
His question is,
Currently, what?
up,
Yeah, currently
after
what?
ADF, right? Yeah, please.
Yeah, Vicky, go ahead.
Yeah, no, what I
कोई
understood
एक
the
बोल लो.
question, right? I'm explaining, Sagar, what he is asking, right? After ADF, right, you have split that Azure course into multiple modules, right? One is ADF, then maybe Spark or Python, something like that.
No, you misunderstood. Actually, there are many users who want to learn a specific course. Okay, Python, SQL, ADF, or
Mm-hmm.
Databricks. Before I thought to launch an entire course of Azure Data Engineering where I will be teaching every stuff, for stuff. But now I segregated that first first classes is on ADF, and after that I will be launching a class on Databricks, and there I covered up basic SQL and basic Python.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Any prerequisites for this? No, right? Because I am completely into
Nothing.
SAP.
No. Uh, Simple SQL, right?
Yeah, I know simple SQL.
Simple SQL and basic programming knowledge. If you worked on Java before or SQL, Python before or
No,
C++ plus plus
SQL I
also.
know because SQL is for
Ah,
me
so
it is
just a basic knowledge. It's needed, nothing else. I would suggest, sh- uh, you know, you just have some exploration before
mm-hmm.
of the ADF. What is ADF? You should know what you are going to learn,
Acha, okay.
right? Matlab, you should know, right, what you are going to learn. Otherwise, you will maybe I'm teaching something you will see is
Mm-hmm.
teaching right. At least you should have that knowledge. It's a kind of ETL tool only.
Okay. Any discount for those persons who took any other course from your website? No,
Sorry,
just I'm
sorry,
asking.
Sriram. No, sorry. Because this is very decent amount I put. Very
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
decent. If you go somewhere, there are many YouTube channels, there are many guys taking 9, 10K. So
Mm-hmm.
I think it's okay. So what I can do for you guys, I can give at 30, 40, maybe 50% discount on that paid dot recorded course, which I have built on a master in Azure Data Factory. That I can do for you guys.
Acha, okay.
That I can do for you guys. Because that is related to ADF only, right? Then there you will be getting, maybe you will be getting some similar questions also, but at least you will have it in 50% or 40%. So it will be beneficial.
Okay, when you are going to start this classes?
But tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Maybe
Mm.
probably on from Wednesday only. Because today night I have to do some setting on the website. So I will do that and then I host the URL. Okay. And then you can, register, and then from Wednesday I'm gonna start and make, yeah, I'm gonna start.
Okay, for for Azure Data Engineering, other than ADF, what are the topics that we need to learn?
Databricks, I said, Databricks.
That's okay.
And then Spark, Python SQL is a must thing. You should know at least that.
So Spark, you are going to cover down the line, right? In the next course.
In the next course.
Okay. So that
Okay.
Databricks will cover the Spark also, right?
Databricks is Spark only.
Okay.
Databricks is a cloud platform where Spark is hosted in the backend.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
One more question, right, Sagar, with this course, right? So there is a last module you are saying that end-to-end project. So that we need to purchase separately, right? For me, if I not purchase anything, or it will be
Yes.
included in this.
No. It is optional. If you want to take, you can take it. If you want to take, then I can, since you have taken this course and this is related to Azure Data Factory, I can give some massive discount.
Okay, fine.
But
Yeah.
if you are not taking these live classes, then I will not give any discount. Prices are decent, Vicky. I mean,
No, I understood. No, because I inquired so many places, so money is not the matter for me, right? I want to
it's
learn from you, so because that's a reason, right?
okay.
Yep.
Okay, sir.
Anyone else?
Yeah.
Yes,
Know the
sir.
course fee.
Sagar, one last
I-
question. Any WhatsApp group that you are going to create with the current live batch?
I have it already. How I can ping?
The one Geek Coders one?
Geek Coder 1, You are there
Oh,
only, right?
yeah, I'm there in
No,
that. Okay, sir.
the what I'm asking, right? The live class we want. Suppose we join 20 members in this batch, right? So we want some separate group so we can discuss.
that is there, Vicky. आप एक बार क्लास तो ज्वाइन करो, आपको सब चीज मिल जाएगी।
हाँ ठीक है, फिर तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
आप परेशान मत हो, आप यहाँ पे तो होगे, यू कैन आस्क मी, राइट? थोड़ा टेंशन मत लो आप बट द प्री रिक्वेस्ट इज, इफ यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम मी, एटलीस्ट इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम ऑल्सो।
कितना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा? अगर 1 घंटे आप पढ़ाओगे तो हमको कितना
तो आपको एटलीस्ट आधे घंटे तो रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड देन यू हैव टू डू अ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑल्सो। अभी सिर्फ वीडियो देख के आप पढ़ रहे हो, ऐसे नहीं पढ़ाई होती है, राइट? टू बी ऑनेस्ट।
नहीं, वो तो प्रैक्टिस जो आपने कराया वो क्लास में वो पूरा रिपीट फिर से करना,
राइट?
Yeah, hi Sagar.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Thank you. I'm leaving now.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, who's this?
Yeah, this is Roshan.
Hey, hi Roshan.
Yeah. So just wanted to know the course fee as I joined this session late. So I don't know what exactly you are going to cover as part of this live classes. So like as you know, in real time, we need Databricks as well as PySpark notebooks as well.
This is the Azure Data Factory course. This is not a Azure Data Engineer course. Okay, you misunderstood. Before I thought to have a Azure Data Engineer course, but there are many guys who want only a single course. So what I have done now, I segregated the course, and in this course I am gonna teach only Azure Data Factory.
So in Azure Data Factory, like whatever will be the transformations which we are having, like activities as part of Azure Data Factory, those will cover, right?
Yep.
And is there any project which we need to build in live class as well, or
Live class, no. So there is already a project which I just built recently that included CI/CD and Power BI everything is there. So what I will do, if you take these classes at the
Mm-hmm.
end, not
Yeah.
the starting, right? At the end, I will give some promo code, one promo code,
Okay.
50%, 60% discount on top of the current price, what is we are having. Nah, then you can
Yeah.
enroll in that and then you can watch that course and then you can build the project.
Okay.
Because
So
if I build the project in live class, it will take a lot time.
yes, obviously. So what about the duration and the course fee?
Course fee is around 5K plus
Okay.
GST. Okay.
Okay.
For Indians who are residing outside, for them it is $90 or $100
Mm-hmm. So
USD.
duration, any idea about duration?
Duration, at least you have to invest 1 month with me. Means Monday
Okay.
to Friday, 5 days or five, kitna, 40, 20, 25 days.
So once the class is done, like we need to practice by creating a Azure free account self,
Yes,
like.
that is recommended. Yeah, that is no. What you can do now, you can make the you can take the subscription beforehand only, and
Okay.
then you know what I'm gonna teach you from Monday to Friday, right?
Yeah.
And at least if you enjoy Saturday, if you take a rest on Saturday, you can do practice on Sunday, right? At least you can invest 1 hour, 2 hour there, because the videos will be recorded. You can go and check the videos later.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. That's it. Mm.
Suppose you miss some day, right? Then
Yeah.
you can also
Yeah.
watch that recorded video. बस
Okay.
आपको बनाना है जो what I am teaching, बस आप वो पढ़ो. I am 90% sure you'll get a job. At least you'll not get a job soon, but 1-2 महीने में आपको job मिल जाएगी. Or if
No,
you are
actually, I am currently
uh,
working only, but I'm searching as I got a project on ADF. So I just wanted to learn before that, so that I can that it uh, have some hands-on ADF as well.
understood, no problem. बस आप time दो थोड़ा, you know.
Yeah, got
I yeah, I'll
Yeah,
make
hi,
sure to give. Yeah.
hi Sagar.
Sorry, who's this?
Ram here.
Hi Ram.
Yeah, currently I have enrolled in other course which is clashing with the timings. So do we have any proposed other timings, or this is 8:30 to 9:30 is the
Actually, I polled. I mean, I do a poll,
okay?
and there I got this timing only, 8:30 as positive percentage. चला गया क्या? Hello, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, I think Ram facing some issue. Yeah, hi Aman.
Hi Sagar, this is Bharadwaj.
Yeah, hi Bhadraj.
Hi Sagar, good evening. So
Good.
actually, your proposed timings are not suitable for me because my shift timings are 3 to 11:30 p.m. second shift. So
EST.
is
Okay.
there any change? And one more thing, Sagar, in Azure Data Factory, you will provide some banking projects, insurance,
See,
like finance project,
banking project, insurance,
not
one
not
minute.
COVID like that, not COVID
Let me
calculation
clear you.
project.
Let me clear you.
Okay.
You do not need to see. अगर आप Hindi.
No, I am from Andhra Pradesh,
Oh,
Telugu.
his name is Bhardwaj, right? So I
Yeah,
thought
yeah,
you
Bharat
are.
Bhashama. So everybody confused, getting confused. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, no problem. So see, the thing is now, you should
Okay.
not be looking for a course who teach you business related things, because you are saying na finance or healthcare sector.
Yeah,
That
insurance,
depends
banking
on the
like that.
company to company, and the business to business.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
need to understand the technical skill or the
Okay.
scenarios which you are going to deal,
Okay. Real time.
because there are many guys who, yeah, because see, suppose you are working for Amazon has some different business idea, I mean business model,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Microsoft has some other business model.
Okay.
Okay, so you do not, I mean, in the interviewer, no one will ask you about the business, hey, how Amazon do the work,
Yes, yes.
correct? वो आप बताओगे भी नहीं. You should not tell to that audience, to the interviewer also. You're very
Yeah.
confidential. In my company, they people are doing a shipping business, right? So I'm not gonna tell to anyone ki how the shipping works. है ना?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you do not need to worry about it. In the project, in the project, I mean, in the project which I have created, there actually I use Olympic data set.
Okay.
Now you might be thinking there are many YouTubers who have made that project. The thing is how you show that, scenarios, how you build that scenarios, what type of file you are getting, how many type of files you are getting, how will you pull the data. Those things are available. So honestly,
Okay.
you should not look for the, someone, कि आप मुझे finance का data दे दो, or sales data and some healthcare sector. You should, I mean, no one will ask this. You should know how you can solve the problem or solve the challenge when you are receiving this kind of data. The business will be told by your stakeholder, by your POs, product owners, and some your leaders.
Okay. Okay. So date, what is the date? Planning date?
Wednesday or Thursday.
Wednesday or Thursday. Okay. Okay, sir.
I'm just looking for 30 to 40 students. ठीक है, not more
Okay.
than that, because this is my
Okay.
first live class, है ना? So I do
Okay.
not need to कि मैं वो भीड़ जमा करके कर लूँ. So I'm not looking for that. At least अगर if I got 25, 20, then I started.
Okay. Okay. Good luck and thank you.
Thank
Sagar.
you, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Sagar. I got disconnected during my previous question. You were saying about the poll and you got this timing for the duration, right? Are you
Correct.
planning for any other timing other than this?
No, sorry, Ram, it's not possible for me because
Okay.
I'm also working somewhere. है ना? तो फिर वह ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. I'm
Okay
not
then.
doing it full time, right? So it's not possible. Also,
Okay.
but if you are looking for Azure Data Factory course, I would
Yeah.
highly recommend go first watch out my 30 videos that is free. Basics of Azure Data Factory on YouTube. If you like that, if you understand the concept, then you can take that master in Azure Data Factory course.
Sure, Sagar. What is the plan for the next course? Like you are going to start this on this Wednesday or tomorrow?
Wednesday, then it will take at least 1 month. Honestly, it will take at least 1 month. It depends on the students also. If they ask more questions, right, then it will
Yeah.
be postponed to 5 days or 1 week, right? है ना? But it will take around till 25th of December. It will be covered. It will be, मतलब
Okay.
पूरा होगा. And after that, I'll start the data breaks. Because this is the time, because before I thought to take the class on Saturday and Sunday, but what I thought ki already we guys are busy on these days, right, on these weekdays,
Yeah, yeah.
correct, or working days, correct. So it's better to just learn these days on these days, and then take rest for 1 day and then revise the concept on Saturday Sunday. Otherwise वो रिदम टूट जाता है. ठीक है, वो आप याद ही नहीं है आपको कि पढ़ाया क्या था संडे को, फिर आप अगले संडे आ गए पढ़ने, तो नहीं मजा आता वो.
Uh,
वो क्रेडिट कार्ड
one
आपने
last
डिलीट
thing,
कर चुका हो
Sagar,
तो
from
फिर
my
से
side.
फिर से कैसे बनेगा अकाउंट?
Sorry, Vicky, let Ram finish first.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would recommend like you are planning to have a batch for 20 to 30 people, right? If you have more
नो नो
registrations.
नो सर सर मैं मेरा 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 2030 वाला ही है, इससे
No, no, that's
नहीं लेना
okay.
है मेरे
That's
को.
I agree with you. But what I'm saying is, please prepare for the next batch. You're going for the Azure Databricks, right? Next after this. What I would recommend is, let's say there are more than 30 or 40 participants interested for this course. I would recommend you continue this batch along with Databricks.
Correct. That's right.
अच्छा
Because
अच्छा, ओके.
what I mean to say, you in the next part of course after it ends in December, from January I would recommend you start this course once one with
along
new.
with along with
Yeah, yeah,
along with Databricks you are saying, na?
Databricks, correct, yeah.
Understood, yeah. I'll do that. Yeah, first, you guys should give me the feedback, है ना? So if you guys give the positive feedback, then definitely I'll do that. Because I'll also get confidence, ना कि
Yeah.
आप जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, जो आप पैसे इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, so that is useful for others.
Yes, yes. Because I'm planning for the next batch, because I'm not flexible with the current timings. So I'm planning for the next batch.
But Ram, meanwhile, you can watch the free videos of Azure Data Factory. You can at least get some basic idea.
Sure, sure. Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
And one more thing, like I saw a Azure Data Factory course in the website,
That's
Master in
what
Azure.
that's what I was telling you actually. First, go with the Azure Data Factory course, the basic one, that is free. Okay, that is the
Okay.
YouTube playlist only. Once
Okay.
you are done with that, if you feel confident ki acha, I know little bit now, then you can take this Master in Azure Data Factory course, that paid one.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Sure. Thanks. Thanks, Sagar. Yeah.
Sagar, like whatever the classes you are going to start day after tomorrow, like we need to definitely should watch those videos and then we have to come here, or it is not like that.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Like you have already mentioned saying that you have created some free courses, right, regarding this Azure.
No, that is the person. I mean, as a Ram, right? Ram saying he is not suitable for the timing, right? Then you can go. I mean, he can go and take that free courses. If you want, you can also watch it. It's up to you, but it is not necessary because sometimes what happens, na? If you have
Uh,
at least a basic knowledge, I mean, just a basic
mhm.
knowledge, what you are going to learn, then you can learn something easily or fast. Otherwise, it will take a long time to understand the concept, right? Hence I
Okay.
told.
Okay. So there is no dependency for the
No
previous video.
dependency, no dependency. Just a basic SQL. What is DDL? What is select statement? What is stored procedure? So if you do not know, also I will teach you. That's not a problem. But nothing else. A basic
Okay.
knowledge of programming. At least you know what is how to write the basic thing.
Okay, Sagar.
मतलब variables, parameters, what do
Mm-hmm.
parameter, what is function. If you know that, then it will be easy for to understand.
Mm-hmm.
वरना फिर वो सब बेसिक से बताओ तो it will take a lot of time ना.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, Sagar.
Okay, Srinivas. Hi, Aman.
Hi, Sagar. First of all, thank you for sharing so much of
Thank
information
you,
on
Aman.
YouTube. It's really helpful. I think uh, I mean, my question is regarding a practicality perspective, that how these things like are actually, like, how much difference actually it exists between learning a course, doing a project, and versus actual doing the tasks in the job profile,
The
like
task
how
will
you are doing.
see. The thing is, the first you will learn basic, okay, by live classes if you're taking. After that, the project what I have built, that is a kind of real-time project. The data is different. To be honest, data you cannot tell to someone ki I use this data. The
Yeah.
data you should change. You can just tell ki this is the sales data of my company, or this is healthcare sector data of my company, something like that. But the scenarios what I have told, that is almost similar.
Okay.
Depends on company to company, project to project, right?
Okay.
So चिंता मत करो. You can tell the same story, just you need to twist the data. If you tell ki I use this data, then they will catch you and they will understand ki you are making the stories only.
Okay. I mean, it's gonna be like post the post getting the job, the whatever knowledge we have gathered via courses or your YouTube videos, everything. So it would be like almost 90% similar what kind of work someone will be doing in the job, right?
Yep,
So
yep, yep.
it's just the data would be different, or maybe business methodologies might be different, but the
The
concept,
architecture, the
yeah.
scenario, that is totally the real time kind,
Hmm.
but the data is different. And also it depends on company, how your company works, how my company works.
Yes, yes, yes.
or some other company works.
Okay.
Some client want unit testing, some client do not want unit testing. I'm not doing it. वो extra चीजें you can do it by your own. At least जो base होता है, right, which every company is following. That I can tell you, ना. अभी, yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
I mean, cloud computing, I can say this is okay. So basically, another thing I wanted to ask is that cloud computing part, is it somehow related to the data engineering role itself?
No, cloud computing
Cloud
is something.
engineer or
Cloud engineer, I mean, there are two kind of, this is the cloud data engineer.
okay,
Engineer तो वो हो गया who manages the cloud,
okay.
or who makes the cloud, or I'm not sure.
So for us,
Okay,
it would be like remote service. For them, the cloud engineer, it would be like on premise. They will be managing their
No, I'm not understanding your point. What you're trying to say? You're trying to say the outcome of this course?
no, in general, the course is about the ETL tool, right? This is
हाँ,
about the
right.
ADF. Yeah. So
Data
I
engineer, हाँ.
yes, so I just wanted to interact with you. I got to know about like you are having a online streaming session. So I joined. I thought I'll ask what I had in my mind related to DE only. And yeah, I mean, course is perfectly fine. I get that basic, and you have already explained like first I can look for the basics things and then go for the
हम्म,
project, and I can just follow all the steps which you have just mentioned. That
ठीक
is
है, okay.
really amazing. But I really wanted to know I have never talked to I mean an actual data engineer. This is the
Can
first
we
interaction.
can we talk, offline, because don't mind, because there are many guys, and we are going away from the agenda.
Sure,
You
sure,
can
sure.
ping me on WhatsApp. You can get the WhatsApp number from the website.
Where exactly
That
I
is
could find?
geekcoders.co.in. You can write in Google. If you just write a geekcoders, then you will get one first website. Click on that. There will be a green button, a WhatsApp icon at the end of at the
Okay,
bottom of the
okay,
page.
okay.
You can then get my number.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, thank you. I hope you understand.
Yeah, I do. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi everyone. Tarun, Venkat, Srinivas, Saurabh, Satya, Chetan, Ashish, one Adish, Vicky. Anything else, or will wind up?
So day after tomorrow, you're going to start the class, right? So we should ready with our Azure account.
You can sign up later also. See, first class में, second class में, not gonna go deep, right? Go deep.
लेकिन
So
वो
you
मेरा
can,
the credit card which I'm using this already I tried for one time though.
then you have to figure it out. Then you have to spend some money. I would not recommend to spend any
No, I
money
have a
on this
different
learning.
credit card. I will use the different, right?
Then you can use that. Or also, if you are having some cousin who is studying in the college, right, or friend who is studying in university, then you can get their email ID, and then you can get the free subscription, student subscription, for $100 credit.
Okay.
You can also do
So
like
no
that.
need to pay for the cloud, right? For this course, right? Azure. Any billing or something will come? Any?
Billing will come if you go as pay go as model. मतलब pay as pay you go model. मतलब whatever you use, you will pay for that only.
लेकिन अब हम फ्री यूज करेंगे तो अभी इसमें कोई चार्ज नहीं लगेगा ना कि
No,
है
there
चार्ज?
will no charge. There will no charge,
ओके
because Microsoft team is giving you some credits to use.
ओके
Free credits, we call.
ओके
Okay. Hi Adish, Ashish, Bhardwaj, Chetan. Please ask me, otherwise we'll wind up this session.
तो when we have to make the payment?
Sorry?
पेमेंट कब करना है?
I will share the link tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Okay.
The course is ready. Honestly, course is ready, but I yet to add the details. If you want, then you can pay me. I mean, you can enroll in that course, but the modules are not defined over there
Okay.
or the uploaded over there. If you want, you can do that. I can share the link.
Sure, sure.
Anything else? Anyone?
Hey, Saga, you will communicate me the code, right? Because I already took to your course.
हाँ, आप मुझे WhatsApp सॉरी आप मुझे WhatsApp पे मैसेज कर देना. You can
हाँ,
ping me on
मैं कर देता
WhatsApp
आपको.
or LinkedIn. I will note down
हाँ,
your name or email ID. Okay,
हाँ,
and
आपको
then I
मैं
will
पिंग करता हूँ WhatsApp
and
में
you do
कर.
not need to what we can say, you do not need to take. No, Venkat, you saying that you
हाँ, हाँ,
already taken the master in ADF course, right?
हाँ, हाँ, मैं वो लिया था. हाँ.
अच्छा, okay, ठीक है. I will give you some discount.
Okay, Sagar. Yeah.
Because anyhow, I will gonna be share the master in ADF course at the end of the project
Yeah, you
after
said
20
like you
to
will be
30 days. So
So Sagar, ये
accordingly you
दिसंबर
will
25
discount
के
it, right?
पहले कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, राइट?
sorry,
दिसंबर 25 के पहले कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, राइट? कोर्स?
it should be completed.
Yeah.
See, the thing is now, Vicky, I guess Vicky is only
Yeah,
asking.
yeah.
So I can complete it soon also, but it depends on, you guys ask me some doubt, then the class will be extended to maybe 15 minutes, sometime 30 minutes more. Then वो थोड़ा
No,
schedule पे
why
आएगा.
I'm asking, right? The vacation time is there, right? So I need to spend some time with my daughter, right? So that's why.
No, that I understand, but I try to cover
Yeah.
it
Okay. Yeah.
by 1 month because it is, I mean, it takes only 1 month, not more than that.
Yeah. Okay.
अभी भगाना है तो वो बात अलग है
नहीं, वो सही बात है.
कि भगाओ, है ना.
नहीं, बच्चों की छुट्टियां हैं इसलिए थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, नहीं, आई अंडरस्टैंड. वो तो
That's it.
क्रिसमस का भी है तो क्लाइंट साइड भी, वी हैव सम इन सम कंपनी देयर इज नो वर्क. So hey, hi, him has joined. Where he is? आप लोग कुछ पूछना. If you guys have any doubt, you can talk. Otherwise, we'll wind up.
Yeah, good.
Good. Okay. I hope that you guys are following me on WhatsApp or Telegram channel or LinkedIn. I will share the link by tomorrow afternoon. I have to fix one issue that is going on. Okay, and after that you can enroll. Our classes will be start from tomorrow, and I hope that I will be able to deliver some good good content to you guys. So best of luck. We'll
Yep.
meet you then.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi,
Bye-bye.
Thank
Sagar.
you. Thanks.
Last question.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, hi, Saman.
Yeah, so just wanted to know, like, will be there any Azure database course also?
Azure
Uh,
Data?
Azure database course also, I mean, Azure,
Databricks?
yeah, I mean, it will start before this or after Data Factory? How?
After Data Factory.
Oh, okay.
There is a part 2.
Mhm.
Still, if you want to learn, you follow me, right? You only ask me the thing on LinkedIn, right? You
Mhm.
can go and check out that Databricks and PySpark playlist. That is enough. Matlab, you just
Mhm.
to get started, there are 80 videos.
Actually, like my job also, there are like some requirements regarding PySpark. So I was thinking, like you told, right? It'll be like making the
But
whole course. Mhm.
that is only, I called you, we discussed the same thing, right? There are many
Mhm.
users who want only single specific course, and you will also get to know कि चलो the course content is good, then I will invest some other money also those next course में, because roadmap तो यही है, right? First we have to learn SQL first, then Python, then ADF, and then database, because ADF is a short thing. Okay, even though I know there are guys who are not teaching data flows, who not teaching much thing in deep, even though I'm trying to cover those part also and give the project also at the end, so that at least अगर आप अपने resume में लिखते हो, right, कि I know ADF, you can tell the story, you can just मचा दो अपनी एडीएफ मतलब कोर्स में, उसमें रेज्यूमे में, कि किसी को लगे कि हाँ आपको एडीएफ भी अच्छे से आता है। दैट्स द थिंग व्हाट आई वांट टू डू।
I
मतलब जो
worked
कर रहे हो
on
अच्छे से करो।
I worked on SSIS, so it will be helpful, right?
SSIS कोई यूज नहीं। you worked on SSIS, right? हाँ, then
Yeah,
it will be, yeah, then it will be easier for you.
okay, okay. Yeah, okay, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah, hi sir, Abhishek this side. I want to ask, like duration क्या है कोर्स का, टाइमिंग क्या है? एक्चुअली मैं मिस कर दिया।
Duration, sir, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. IST every day, Monday to Friday. And price is 5K plus GST for Indian. And if you are residing outside, it is $90 or $100.
एंड ड्यूरेशन लाइक कितने मंथ चलेगा ऐसा कुछ?
This is वो 30 days। और मान लो वन मंथ मान लो आप, ये कम भी हो सकता है, ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग।
Okay, so how I can enroll? Is there any link?
Are you in my Telegram channel or are you in my LinkedIn?
No, actually I am on YouTube only.
आप एक मिनट वेट करो। 1 minute, please hold for some time.
Okay.
Let me share some link so that you guys can query or right. Contact form कहाँ है? Meanwhile, if anyone has doubt, they can ask. I'm sharing one link. कहाँ गया यार? तो चैट, यहाँ पे आप जाके अपना नाम, सही नाम, WhatsApp number if you have, please share the WhatsApp number so that I can make the group, and then query, just write ADF live class confirmed, or if you are confirmed, if you are gonna be in that class. Do not do spam, to be honest, because I'm not gonna take many students, है ना? तो स्पैम मत करो। अगर 90% आपको कॉन्फिडेंट है, आप श्योर हो कि मुझे पढ़ना है, मुझे आना है, तभी आप प्लीज़ क्वेरी करिएगा इसको, अदरवाइज मत करिएगा। क्योंकि फिर क्या है ना, फिर आप बाद में मना करो, फिर हो सकता है दूसरा बंदा मिस कर जाए, राइट? इसलिए
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू। चलो देन वाइंड अप देन, है ना? हो गया है काफ़ी। आई होप यू गाइस विल अंडरस्टैंड द स्टफ। और कुछ नहीं है, राइट? I answered everyone. Venkat, okay, Saga, Satnayana, thank you. Anonymous attendee, may I know the duration? Is it you, Abhishek?
Yeah, that's me.
अच्छा, okay. चलो, then thank you ना, bye bye. Thank you.